Alright, so we're into the second cut. Second good slab, I guess. Just gonna brush this off. I'm gonna pour water on this because we've already seen the other end of it. I think what we're interested in is what's underneath here. Yeah. Get a look here. 661 has a job cut out for it today. Wow. Starting to get nice now. Look at that. I don't know if you guys can see how the beauty of this grain. Put some water on it. See if we can get it to come out just a little bit. We got kind of a little bit of a rot spot right here. And some sort of like a bark inclusion. But that's okay. That's why they make epoxy or bow ties. Either way. We got a little bit of compression grain coming through right here and right here. That's pretty nice. The heartwood is coming up into this right here. That looked like it almost wanted to be burl. I'm not quite ready to call that a burl yet. You all can leave your comments and tell me what you think. There's definitely some sort of rippling right in here, like a compression of where there was a couple of different branches. And then there's this defined line where the maple goes from white to red. I don't know what causes that, maybe some sort of mineral. But it's getting pretty nice. I'm pretty happy with this log so far. So this piece right here is the book match to the piece that we just cut a minute ago. And I'm showing it just a little bit because it does have some really nice grain, really nice figure right in there. With this dead piece that's coming out here, you're getting a lot of the crotch figure where I guess the crotch would have been. And some compression right in here. I think this was probably wanting to be a burl. Let's lift it up, see what we get. Let's see, can you guys see that? You guys able to see what I'm looking at here? Yeah. Alright, some water on it. And brighten it up a little bit. Okay, so pretty nice. It's getting nice. You got some sort of curl or compression, some sort of swirl right in here between this knot and these knots here where the limbs were. Got some pretty nice. I don't know. I guess I'm going to call it feathering. You guys can leave a comment and tell me what you think it might be. But got some nice stuff going on in this slab. I'm pretty happy with it so far. It does have the bark inclusion where That'll probably have to just be removed out of there. And like I said, maybe add a bow tie or add some epoxy. Maybe just cut it right down the center and straighten the edges and put it back together. But, so this is actually the top of the last cot. Got some pretty nice stuff in here. I think I will put a little water on it because this is probably going to be the last good figure piece that we have. So, get a little bit of water on this, take a look at it, and then we'll roll it over and look at the other side. This is probably going to be, between this and the last piece, the best piece that we got out of that log. Got some really nice compression going on right here. Pretty decent compression in here. Once again, the swirl pattern between all the knots. Pretty nice slab of wood. Let's get a measurement on this. So this used up almost everything my saw had. You got 28 inches between the guides. Yeah, it's 27. 27 right there. And 24 right there. I could make the saw just a little bit wider, but just one engine on there or one power head, so I don't want to kill it. Not bad. Not a bad slab. Really nice stuff going on and right in here. Almost like a flame look. These are 9/4 slabs. I went ahead and bumped it up a quarter. That way there, when people mill them down, because they're such heavy slabs, they should be able to mill them down to 7 or 8/4. Today we got 1, 2, 3, 4. We got 4 nice slabs We've got the cap over there. This one here is the last slab we cut. It's going to need a little bit of work. I did something wrong with the ladder. I'm not sure fully what happened there, but it's only about an inch thick on this end. So the ladder moved, or I moved, or something. I don't know. I'll have to watch the video and figure out what happened. But we got some nice lumber out of it. We'll keep milling. We'll keep working through the pile. If you like the video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and a comment. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I would appreciate it if you do subscribe. I appreciate everyone who has subscribed already. That's helpful. And just real happy to be able to cut this lumber with everybody. And until we see each other again, I want everybody to stay blessed.